Good evening, guys. It's almost 12 o'clock. I just got out of the gym and we're going to make some food. I'm gonna cook some steak, but first I need to kind of wipe the pan. Actually, I didn't even know if my sister have a pan, and to be honest, my sister should be coming home by now. I just don't know why she's late. She's probably staying over somewhere. Well, I don't know. That's her business. But if she were to come home, she would have gotten food. So, right here, I'm gonna be cooking steak and stuff, but that's a pan right now. So you're gonna see me cook steak in a minute. So first I have to crush some of this garlic. I don't know why it's like doing that. Here's the garlic. It's a lot. This one more. So I have to crush all this, and then kind of make some eggs. 6 of this. So I'm gonna be eating that later on. I'm gonna fill my stomach with it, and then probably eat some protein shake after that. So you can never have too much garlic. And I got some butter, some steaks. Like, it's pretty expensive. It's $31 for this too, you know. I plan on eating 2 a day. So like I'll be spending like $60 every time. If I eat 2 every day, no wait, I'm not doing my math right. I meant to say like 30 something. But she should have a knife over here. I don't know why I don't see a knife. Found a knife. And I just need a chopping board. But I could just cut things over here. Since my sister's not here anyways, it should be fine, right? I should be able to cut things on. You know what, let me do this real quick and then I will skip to doing cooking. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be making the steak now. So I'm gonna be cooking the steak. So what I'm doing right now is basically I'm gonna cook it 2 to 3 minutes on both sides, and then I'm gonna put the butter and the garlic and stuff like that. Then after that I'm gonna be cooking the eggs. But yeah, this is what it is. Crazy because let me show you guys the steak. It looks good. The steak looks good. How do I kind of unzoom my face? Apparently I can't unzoom the moment I just like start recording. But yeah, I'm gonna be flipping this in a minute so that I can get a medium rare steak. And I can't find any fork. Alright, so I found a fork and I'm gonna be putting, you know, the garlic in a minute after I flip it, and then just like whisk it after that. I don't know why. Let me see, I need a spoon too. Found a little tablespoon. Are you guys watching my steak? Because I'm not. So I'm gonna be flipping the steaks in a minute, and everything else will be good. After that, you're gonna see me put the stuff in there. Let's see. All right, you guys are watching the steak. Good, awesome. Then I'm gonna be putting some garlic in it. After I put the butter, time to flip it. See, the whole thing is supposed to be on high, but it was really, how do you say that? It was really hot earlier. So I'm trying to not burn the steak. So a couple more minutes, but let's put the garlic, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't burn. It's been a while since I cooked the steak, and I'm not really good at cooking steaks. And I couldn't find any rosemary Publix when I was buying it. So yeah, it's not that fun. I like the rosemary on my steak, but unfortunately, I couldn't find any. This house is gonna be smoking. I hope you guys can hear me still. I'm not trying to make this video long. I'm just trying to sear the steak completely in a good way. It looks good. For those of you guys who knows how to cook, you can tell that I'm not good, but you can tell that this thing looks good. After that, we're gonna rest it on a plate for, I don't know, 5 minutes. And then we're gonna use all those oil to cook the eggs on a low heat, because I want to make scrambled eggs. I'll save one of these steaks for tomorrow morning. When I wake up, I got some food. I feel like on the days that I'm off, I'm gonna make some food so that I don't have to cook every day. So I know you guys are watching my steak, and I don't know how to zoom out of this thing. So we're gonna be cooking the egg in a bit, and then after that I'm gonna be eating it. So I'll give it like 2 more minutes for the steak, and then after that it should be done. So I'm gonna be making a video tomorrow. I can't really see myself. Like I was saying, I'm going to be making a video. You guys can see me here, right? Okay, so I'm going to be making a video tomorrow about something. You know what? I'm not even gonna tell you guys, but I'm gonna be making a video tomorrow. Hopefully you guys watch the videos, and hopefully I gain more subscribers. Thank you for those who are watching my videos and subscribing. I now have 29 subscribers, so I really appreciate that. And yeah, I might do some gym contents, but I'm not trying to be like that guy who does gym. If it's popular, I might as well. So I might, learn from you guys how to work out properly. And yeah, so I think it's time to rest the steak. I like how that thing turned out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrape some of this garlic and just put it on top of the steak. Some of this garlic burnt. It would really be nice if I have a what do you call that? It would really be nice if I have some rosemary. Now what I'm gonna do is cook some eggs. I'm not even gonna waste my time and just make the eggs right now. This might not be the healthiest way to cook and consume food, but you know what? We eating, and I'm not about to waste my food because I'm gonna save some of this for tomorrow. And I'm gonna eat some of this for tomorrow. So it's gonna be a lot of fat in this thing, a lot of calories, which is not might not be good, but we're not trying to waste food, you know. Put that thing on 3. Gonna have to clean some of this later on. You got the steak fat in there with the butter and everything. We're not trying to waste this food, so I'm gonna be eating this thing tomorrow. It's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna have a stomachache tomorrow, I can already tell. I just want this to be a little bit as dry as possible because I know for a fact there's a lot of oil in there and butter. Mostly butter. I mean, I did put a lot of oil too, but don't get me wrong, I'm gonna eat this. This is good with garlic, tomato, and onions. If you guys never cook your steak with garlic, tomato, and onions, you're missing out a lot. Okay, plate that, and then we're gonna eat. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm not about to waste all this food. Yeah, that's good. That's good enough salt in there too. All right. I'm gonna be cleaning this later on when it dries, when it's not too hot. So what's up, guys? You guys like the way I cook? Fortunately, I don't like the way I cook as much. See, the problem with this camera is you cannot lower down the zoom the moment you zoom already and then record, and then you cannot change anything else the moment you record. But you can turn it around. That's the egg. This is the steak. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome to my cooking channel. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to like zoom in my face. Oh, it won't let me do that too. Anyhow, welcome to my cooking channel. I'm gonna be logging off now. I'm gonna be putting this on video later on. So see you guys tomorrow.